In a world where websites have one function and one function only, LastEarthquake.com takes home the cake with its display of the one true earthquake that happened recently. Alright, we're totally... Okay.
Now we're back to normal.
No, we're not.
Okay, I'm turning that off for now. Oh yeah, LastEarthquake.com. It was in Nevada. Right. No. EarthquakesToday.org. It has new function. I buried it at the bottom. There's earthquakes by magnitude now. You know, the reverb and the echo is just kind of messing with my head, isn't it? There have been, in the last 24 hours, 4 magnitude 5 earthquakes. Now, as you can see, so they're separated by magnitude, and then they're currently sorted by whatever's most recent and not the actual magnitude. Because as you'll see, the 5.2 is at the bottom. We've probably got a 4.9. There's a 4.9. So it is sorted reverse chronologically, I think. Yeah, looks good to me. Sure. 13, 31, 12. Yeah, that's going backwards, isn't it? Anyway, so that's a new feature. And if you go to magnitude 0, this is where I suspect that California probably and Alaska are probably overrepresented with seismic sensors, because you don't see anything other than California and Alaska in the magnitude 0s. Right, so moving on. Oh, but let's see, was there anything interesting to say? Strongest earthquake, southern Iran, or is it Iran? I'm not sure how it's pronounced officially. 5.2 magnitude. If we click on that, we can find out, did anybody feel it? Did you feel it? Tell us. Yes, there's responses. Ooh, MMIs of 5. That's like a mid-range shake. For semi-strong. I need to figure out the scale totally. Anyway, moving on. Here we have, it's cold and it's fiery. So here's the red flag warning, where conditions generally, red flag is a fire thing, so conditions are generally like dry, windy things. Sometimes there's like dry thunderstorms, so that there might be lightning that would set things on fire and such. Okay, let's see if I've remembered my colors. This strange shade of teal. Freeze warning, that freeze watch, and frost advisory, I'm not sure. Yes, see, 4, 3, I can't count, 3 different shades of blue, meaning slightly different things in the context of weather. Here is a flood watch, I'm not sure what that is. That's flood advisory, see, it's different from a flood watch, I don't know. One you want to be advised of watching, and one you just watch it. So over here in Florida, high surf advisory. So I don't know if that means there. A high risk of rip currents today. Okay, what do you do if there's a rip current? I read this once upon a time. You swim to the side, because if you try to swim against the rip current, you're just going to exhaust yourself and probably get yourself drowned. So you swim to the side, out of the rip current, and then you swim to the shore. Okay, there's your public service announcement for the month, because I don't know a whole lot. I don't know why this is even on here. Hey, look, purple. There's that occluded front again, and there it is again. See, it's when a cold front overtakes a warm front. Cold front overtakes a warm front. You get occluded front. Today, the H's and L's and dashed lines, whoops, and I have no idea what any of them mean. That's right, it's fantastic. Here's the drought monitor. Haven't looked at that in a bit. Have we? So Texas getting a little bit of relief in certain areas. And look, they're going to get all of 0.6 inches in the next 5 days. Get some more relief, right? Not even an inch of rain in 5 days. That's sad. But up here, 3.2. That's not really a whole lot either. Today, slight risk of severe weather. I'm just going to break it to you. Tomorrow and the day after, and apparently the days after that, right now, not looking like very risky conditions. But today, slight risk, 15%. The greatest chance is wind. Here is the severe wind chance, 15%. And 5% behind it, there's your 5% chance of severe hail. And here is your 2%, and then 5% chance of a tornado. And then over in hurricane country, there's nothing and there's nothing. That's right, so let's switch it on.
In a world where websites are mostly green because there's not much severe weather going on, you go hang out at Wicked Wix, that's WICKED WX. Right. Movie coming this fall.